Okay, so let me introduce myself first ya. So, halo semuanya, nama saya Alifa.
And halo semuanya, nama saya Salsa.
Halo,
Hai,
Sasa.
Hello.
halo
Now,
Sasa dan Arifah.
hello.
Nama
Hello,
saya
Mr.
Tununu.
Hello, nice to meet you, Mr. Tununu.
Thank you.
Can anyone introduce yourself in Indonesia?
Sure. Mr. Tununu, would you like to start first?
Ya. Nama saya Tununu Mafreka. Saya dari Malawi.
Halo, Mr. Nunu.
Halo.
Nama saya Farah Rahmi. Saya dari Gaza, Palestina. Saya berumur 20 tahun.
Hello, Miss
Great.
Farah. Let's continue.
Oh, I will start. Hai, selamat malam. Selamat siang for Mr. Tununu. Nama saya Rita, and saya dari Malaysia.
Halo, Miss Rita.
Hello, Miss.
Hai.
What about Mr. Fo?
Mr. Van? Oh, Mr. Van may be busy.
No. I just try to unmute myself.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Perkenalkan nama saya Van Bo. Saya berusia 38. Uh, uh, saya dari Vietnam. That's all I say. That's all.
Yeah,
Miss
nice.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you guys for introducing yourself. And I'm so happy to meet you today.
Yes. And now, let's start today's lesson. Please allow me to share my screen. And before we get into new material, let's review a little of yesterday's material. And yesterday, we learned numbers in Indonesian. Let's review together.
Okay, so I will say the number and you guys have to repeat after me. Okay, so let's start. 1,
Satu,
2,
Satu, yes.
dua,
2,
3,
tiga,
4,
4,
3,
4,
5,
5,
5,
6,
6,
6,
7,
7,
7,
8,
8,
8,
9,
9,
9,
10.
9,
10.
10.
Yeay.
Yay. Very
1,
good.
2, 3. Yo.
And we will use these numbers again today, for example, to count family members. So it's important to remember. And let's
Oh, yeah. Today's topic is about family, or in Indonesia we call family as keluarga. Next slide.
Keluarga.
Yeah,
Yes,
keluarga.
keluarga.
And now let's look at this picture. So this is the pictures of a family being happy together.
And when you introduce yourself, do you talk about your family?
Yes or no, guys?
We have to
Itu?
answer the questions.
Yes.
Oh ya, saat Anda berkenalan, apakah keluarga Anda pernah bercerita tentang apakah Anda? Yeah, for question number 1, yeah, sure.
Yes.
We talk about our family sometimes.
Yeah,
And
it's
who do
true.
yeah. And next questions, who do you usually mention when talk about your family?
Probably our siblings.
Yes.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yes.
and
And
sometimes the parents,
Hmm.
but mostly it's the siblings. To say I am from a family of 3, 2 boys and 1 girl, or 2 girls and 1 boy.
nice. Thank you for your answers. Well, today we learn how to tell about our family in Indonesian.
And now we have 3 learning objectives today.
And first, recognizing family member vocabulary such as father, mother, older sibling, younger sibling, along with their meanings.
And second is identifying the use of family vocabulary in simple sentences.
And lastly, conversing and delivering simple sentences about family orally using the patterns we learn. Are you guys ready to start?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
let's
let's
go.
take a look at this slide.
And now let's start with the vocabulary. So listen and repeat after me. From the
Ayah.
first one is kakek.
Kakek,
So kakek means
Hmm?
grandfather.
grandfather.
Kakek,
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 Yeah.
kakek.
Yes,
kakek,
Ayah.
kakek.
And then nenek.
nenek,
Nenek,
Nenek means grandmother.
grandmother.
And then
okay,
ayah.
kakek, nenek, okay.
Ayah,
Ayah means
Ayah,
father.
Ayah.
ayah,
you say
father.
ayah or ayah?
Ayah,
Ayah.
Ayah,
Yeah.
ayah.
Yes.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's right. And then ibu.
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 Yeah.
Ibu. Yes, we
ibu.
learned it before.
Ibu means
Yes, we learned this one, madam.
yeah.
What's the difference between ibu mother and ibu madam?
Madam, I think it's more about like me, something like that. But mother is our mother.
Yeah, yeah.
So it depends on the person when we
Yeah.
talk.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. And next, let's continue to paman.
Paman.
Paman. Yes.
Paman.
Yes. Paman is uncle.
Paman is
Okay.
uncle. Okay.
Yes. And next, bibi.
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 Yes.
I like it.
And next, kakak.
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 Older
Yes, kakak. Older
Kakak.
sibling.
Saya punya
Yes,
Mhm.
older sibling. And next, adik.
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 Adik. Yes,
Adik. Ya, okay. Adik.
younger
Kakak.
sibling.
Kakak, adik. Okay.
Yes. And next.
Yeah, and in here, kakak and adik here are still general. So, but in here we are distinguish them as a male or female.
Mm-hmm.
In Indonesian, we add laki-laki for male and perempuan for female.
Mm-hmm.
Do you understand, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes,
Laki-laki for
For
male,
male,
Male and perempuan for female.
perempuan for female.
perempuan.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Laki-laki.
Laki, kakak, perempuan.
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 Yes.
Perempuan.
Yes.
Yeah.
And after me, kakak laki-laki.
Kakak laki-laki.
Yeah.
Kakak laki-laki.
Yes. Nice. And next, kakak perempuan.
Kakak perempuan.
Perempuan.
Yes, nice.
Hmm.
And next, adik laki-laki.
Adik laki-laki.
Yes.
Adik laki-laki.
Ya.
Yeah. And adik perempuan.
Adik
Adik
perempuan.
perempuan.
Yeah, younger sister.
Okay.
Alright, good job, guys. Anyone want to ask before we continue?
Me.
Yes.
Yes, Miss.
Sometimes I feel that you the last word you don't say the how can I say
You mean
for
perempuan?
example kakak you say kakak
Yes,
you don't
kakak.
say the K.
Oh, you mean you didn't pronounce the last letter?
For example here kakak or kakak you don't say the last K.
Oh.
Uh-huh. Yes.
Yeah, so it's kakak.
I'm answer.
Yeah, so
Mention again.
yeah, it's
Can
sometimes.
you say it again?
Oh yeah. Sasa, can you
Yeah.
repeat it again?
Kakak.
You didn't say the last K.
Laki-laki.
Laki-laki. Kakak laki-laki. So, Madam Farah's question is, why don't we pronounce the last K? Is it silent?
Yeah. For example, exact. Is it silent?
I don't
Which
think
one?
it's silent. You have to say it also, but it sounds kakak. Also, you can say kakak.
Oh,
You
kakak.
have to say the
Oh,
K, the K pronunciation.
Okay.
Yeah. Would you like to try kakak? Kakak. But it sounds deep when we say it in Indonesia. Kakak,
not
kakak.
easy. When we say kakak, it's much easier than when we say kakak.
Ah.
Oh.
Oh, there is kolkolah there, right? Kakak. Kakak.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what is the correct pronunciation? Is it kakak or kakak?
You can say kakak.
Kakak.
Yes, kakak.
Kakak.
Yes.
Kakak.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Just yeah.
Yes.
Okay, next slide, please. Rosa. Okay, now we will, me and Salsa will read this dialogue, and I will be the first person and Salsa be the second person. Are you ready, Salsa?
Yes.
Okay. So, siapa ini?
Ini kakak saya.
Siapa namanya?
Namanya Faisal.
Kamu punya kakak?
Tidak, saya tidak punya kakak.
Kamu punya adik?
Iya, saya punya 3 adik.
And now let's try together. Who wants to try as the first person?
Okay.
Oke, Miss Farah.
And what about the second person?
Mr. Tenuno, of
Okay.
course.
Of course.
Okay,
But I
let's
wanted to understand the conversation. I was like looking at the conversation, and I only realized that in the fourth picture, that's where I am saying I have 3 sisters. Is
Yes,
that?
yes.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So we so what is it? Siapa ini?
It's
Who is it?
Who is
Ini
it?
kakak saya.
Okay, ini kakak
Yes.
saya. I am the one.
Yes.
Okay,
Ah.
fine. We start then. Let's start.
Okay.
Siapa ini? Is it siapa
Ini
ini?
kakak saya.
Siapa
Is it
namanya?
siapa?
I didn't hear you. Siapa namanya?
Ah, namanya Faisal.
Kamu punya kakak?
Tidak, saya tidak punya kakak.
Kamu punya adik?
Ya, saya punya 3 adik.
Alright, good job.
Yes.
Sama-sama.
Terima kasih.
Masya Allah.
Good
I
job.
don't think so.
Miss Rita, do you want to try?
Yeah, sure. Who
With
else here? Oh, no one else?
Van, is Van not around?
Oh, he's not here.
Mr. Tenuno, you asked me. I asked you, you
Okay.
answer.
Yes, I answer now.
Okay, siapa ini?
Ini kakak saya.
Siapa namanya?
Namanya Faizal.
Kamu punya kakak?
Tidak, saya tidak punya kakak.
Kamu punya adik?
Ya, saya punya 3 adik.
Huh, excellent.
Yeay.
Bravo.
Terima
Thank
kasih.
you. Terima kasih.
Terima
Sama-sama.
kasih. And now let's continue to the next slide.
Okay, now it's time to practice. And now let's look at this family tree on the screen. So there are 6 empty boxes, number 1 to 6. So you must fill them with the correct family vocabulary.
Okay, I start first.
Okay, number 1.
Okay, number 1 is Nenek.
Yes,
Yes, correct.
it's correct.
And number 2
Thank
is
you.
Sakti. Or
Yes,
right?
thank you, Miss.
Number 2
Good
is
job.
what?
Kakek.
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 Kakek. Ah,
Yes.
okay.
What about
Number
number 3?
number what?
Number
Number
3.
number 3.
Number 3 is
Ayah.
ayah.
Yes, that's right.
Yes.
What about number 4?
Number 4 is ibu.
Yes, that's right.
Yes. Good job.
And then number 5.
5. Paman.
Yes, that's right.
Yes,
Oh, paman.
paman.
Number 5.
Yes,
Number
paman.
6 is bibi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes,
Number 6 is
Bibi.
bibi.
yes.
Okay. Good job, guys. Move on.
Yay.
Next slide.
Yay. Good job, guys.
Nice.
And now we move to sentence patterns. There are 3 important patterns today.
Yeah, so this pattern is used when you want to say about your family members. So the first pattern is ini blah 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 saya. So it means this is my blah 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 blah. So for example, ini ayah saya. So it means this is my father.
Yeah.
Ini ayah saya. This is my father.
Yes.
Okay. So if I say ini
This is saya.
keke saya.
This is my
Ini keke saya.
Kakek.
This
Kakek.
oh kakek. Ini
Yes.
kakek saya.
Yeah.
Yes.
yeah.
Ini kakek.
And next,
Ini
yeah.
paman saya.
yes.
Nah.
Mr. Van Vo says he was kicked out of the group. Is it? Maybe we can readmit
Yeah,
him.
he cannot rejoin.
Yeah, he needs to rejoin.
Alpha, can you help me to invite?
Oh, Mr. Panford isn't here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he cannot rejoin.
He cannot rejoin?
Why?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know, maybe can he try again? Okay, let's continue.
Okay. And second pattern, saya mempunyai satu bla 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 dan bla bla bla. And it means I have one blah 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 and two blah blah blah. And for example, saya mempunyai satu kakak perempuan dan 2 adik laki-laki. So it means I have one older sister and 2 younger brothers. Can anyone want to try?
I
Saya
need to look at the second word.
what?
Yeah, what?
Yeah, Miss?
Saya
Maybe.
what?
Mempunyai.
Okay, saya mempunyai satu. Oh, meaning I have one what?
Siblings.
Okay. These are siblings, eh?
Yes.
Okay, so you have to use a word for either sister or brother.
Yes.
Okay.
Saya mempunyai satu
Yeah.
kakak perempuan dan 2 adik laki-laki.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's move on to the third pattern. Keluarga saya ada bla 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 orang. It means my family has bla 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 people. So for example, keluarga saya ada 5 orang. It means my family has 5 people. Anyone want to try?
Keluarga saya ada 3 orang.
Yes, that's right.
Yes.
keluarga
So,
saya ada 6 orang.
Nah,
Or-
oh ya.
Orang.
orang.
Yes,
Yes,
That's people, eh?
yes, that's people.
yes, people.
Okay. Keluarga saya ada 6
Keluarga,
orang.
Yes, that's right.
keluarga sih. Ya,
Okay.
Mhm.
Oh, I see
Miss
Mr.
Rita,
Fu is here.
we want to try. Miss Rita, want to try the third pattern?
Ya, sure. Boleh. Ini
Yes.
we must use the okay, ini
Ibu.
kejap. Ini ibu saya.
Yes,
Ya,
that's right.
Okay. Saya mempunyai uh, 3 kakak perempuan dan seorang kakak laki-laki.
Yes.
yes.
Keluarga saya ada 5 orang.
Nice. Terima kasih, Miss Rita.
Ya.
All right. Let's move on to the next slide.
Sure, we'll try. Sorry, I will
Miss
kick
Yeah,
out the group. Sorry.
let's try. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's okay.
Halo, ini ayah, ini ibu saya.
Ya,
Saya mempunyai satu kakak perempuan dan 2 adik laki-laki.
ya.
Keluarga saya
Keluarga.
ada
Ya.
3 orang.
Okay, that's right.
Terima kasih, Mister.
So it mempunyai ya. Okay.
Punyai.
Yes,
Ya,
mempunyai.
mempunyai.
And family means what? Kelore or
Have. Mempunyai is have. Okay,
Mempunyai is what?
have.
Ka?
Mempunyai, it means has. Have.
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 Yes.
Oh, have. Okay,
Yes.
okay, okay. I have.
Yes.
So, saya mempunyai means I have.
Yes, that's right.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, next slide, please.
And remember, we use the numbers we've learned before to fill in the number of people.
Yeah.
And next slide.
Okay, it's the same thing as before, but today, in here is full from number 1 to number 4. Okay, so and I will read the question one by one, and you have to answer orally.
Okay.
Okay, what about the number 1? Who wants to try?
Me.
Yes.
Keluarga saya ada 6 orang.
Okay, that's right.
Yeah.
What
Terima
about
kasih,
number two?
Mi.
Terima kasih, Mi.
Thank you. Sama-sama.
What about number 2?
Saya mempunyai 2 orang kakak perempuan dan seorang kakak laki-laki.
That's right, Miss Rita. Terima
Mhm.
kasih. Okay, Mr. Tununo, want to try for number 3?
Saya saya mempunyai satu kakak dan 2 adik.
Yes, that's right.
Yes.
What
Terima
about number
kasih.
4? What about number 4?
Saya tidak mempunyai kakak perempuan, adik laki-laki.
Okay, that's right. Thank you, guys. Okay, let's move on to the next slide.
Now let's add one more comment. Family members occupations. Please repeat after me. Guru.
Guru.
Yes.
Guru.
Guru.
Uh-huh.
Yes. And next, koki.
Koki.
Yeah.
Koki.
Saya guru. Saya
Yeah.
guru.
Yeah, you can say that.
Mhm.
And next, dokter.
Doctor.
Doctor.
Yes.
Doctor.
Yes,
Dokter.
Yes.
yes.
Yeah, dokter.
Okay.
And next, perawat.
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 Per.
Perawat.
Perawat.
Yeah.
Perawat.
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 It's not
Yeah.
perawat.
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 Yeah, it's perawat.
Perawat.
And yeah.
Pe.
And then petani.
Petani.
Botany.
Petani.
Yeah.
Petani.
Petani. Yes.
Petani.
Petani.
And lastly, pengemudi.
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 Yeah. Pengemudi.
Pengemudi.
Yes.
Pengemudi.
Yeah.
Yes. So, and then for the sentence pattern. So for example, is my father is a doctor. We say in Indonesia, ayah saya seorang dokter. And then for my grandfather is a farmer. We say in Indonesia, kakek saya seorang petani. And then my mother is a nurse. We say in Indonesia, ibu saya seorang perawat.
Can
Okay.
anyone make one sentence about this?
Yeah, sure. I start?
Yes, please, Miss
Let me
Rita.
start. Let me start first.
Okay. Adik laki-laki saya seorang dokter.
Yes.
Right.
Nice. Terima kasih, Miss Rita.
Bibi saya
Anyone?
seorang perawat.
Okay.
How
Okay.
can we say
I want to say my mother is a teacher. So I'll say ibu saya seorang guru.
Yes, that's right.
Yes, ibu saya seorang guru. Yes,
Ibu saya seorang guru.
Yes, that's right.
seorang. Yes,
Seorang.
ya, seorang.
Seorang.
Yes.
Ya,
Okay.
terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
I heard that Miss Farah wants to say something.
One minute.
Your voice isn't clear enough.
Kakak perempuan, saya perawat, I think.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Is it correct?
Thank you.
Okay, next slide. Okay, now it's time to play while learning. So we will play an interactive quiz about family.
And this is a multiple choice quiz with time and a bonus round. And let's start.
Let's answer it together, yeah?
Yes. Wait a minute.
Okay, get ready.
Ini adalah visit.
Ini adalah ayah Doni.
Okay.
Ayah. Yay. Thank you, Miss Rita. Good job.
What about this one? Blah 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 sedang tidur nyenyak.
Adik bayi
Ya.
sedang tidur.
Yes.
Nice
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Good job.
Oh,
It's
adik
easier.
bayi. That's what? Younger what?
Yes.
Yes.
Bayi means baby.
Oh, baby, bayi. Okay.
Yes.
So this one is the baby
What
sister.
about this? Yes.
Ibu.
What
Ibu.
about this? Ibu.
Ibu
Okay.
sedang menyapu rumah.
Menyapu.
Okay, bonus round.
Bonus round.
Yes, what is it?
I think we have to pick the card. Yes.
Yes. We
Okay.
got 50 points.
Get ready, Mr. Bruno, get ready.
Ayah Tino
Okay.
bekerja sebagai
Dokter.
Oh, doctor. Yes, I am a doctor.
yes,
Or my
dokter.
father is a doctor.
Yes. Nice. Next. Ibu Rina kerja sebagai
Hmm.
Pe-
Perawat.
Wah, betul.
yes, perawat. Good job.
Bijak lah Mr. Bruno ni.
Yes.
Bijak means brilliant.
Yes.
Ayah Ferry bekerja sebagai... Oh, this one, we don't have this one, right?
No, this one
Monty?
C. Monty.
Yes. C.
How to pronounce?
Montir.
Montir?
Montir. Yes.
Montir.
Montir.
Yes.
Montir
Okay.
means mechanic.
Yes, it's mechanic.
Yes.
Ah, Montir. Okay.
Montir. Montir mechanic. Okay.
Yes. Next questions.
Mm-hmm.
Bu Mirna bekerja sebagai
Koki. Koki.
yes, koki.
Ibu Mina bekerja sebagai koki di restoran.
Koki means
Koki.
Yes.
Chef,
Yes,
yes.
chef.
Montir. Okay.
So this koki is coming from the word cook.
yeah.
And next, what is it?
Oh, bercita-cita menjadi seorang pilot. Pilot.
Pilot.
Pilot, yes.
Yeah, pilot.
Pilot, yes, pilot.
Pilot or pilot?
Pilot.
How do
In
you pronounce it?
Indonesia, pilot.
Oh, pilot.
Pilot. Yes.
Pilot?
Pilot.
Yeah, pilot.
Or
What about
pilot?
you?
This one?
Ayahku bekerja sebagai nakoda.
Nakoda, is it?
Nakoda. Yes, nakoda.
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 And next questions. Oh, there is another bonus round. Nice.
Yes. I think it's the last question now.
What about this, guys?
Besar nanti
This one.
ingin
Tentara.
menjadi seorang
Yes,
tentara.
Yes.
tentara.
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 Tentara means
Yeah.
militer.
Okay.
Okay. Good job, everyone.
Yes. Terima kasih semuanya.
Good
Terima
job.
kasih.
Tenunu. Good job, Miss Farah. Good job, Miss
Yes, good
Van.
job, everyone. Let's
Yeah.
Good
continue
job.
to the
Thank
next
you.
slide.
Best team ever.
Yes. Wait a minute.
Miss Farah, what is mechanic in Indonesia?
What?
What is mechanic?
Me?
Montir.
No.
Yes, Monty.
Oh,
And
Montir,
now,
yes.
Yeah, montir.
Ontir.
Yes.
yes, Montir. And now let's practice reading. I will read the text. Keluarga saya. Let me read the text. Ini adalah gambar keluarga saya. Kakek saya bernama Anton. Nenek saya bernama Rina. Kakek dan nenek saya adalah seorang petani. Saya tidak punya kakak dan adik. Ayah saya seorang guru. Ibu saya seorang koki. Keluarga saya ada 4 orang.
Oh.
Is there anybody
Okay.
want to read the text?
I will try.
Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Ini adalah gambar keluarga saya.
Keluarga saya. Yes.
Yes.
Kakek saya bernama Anton.
Yes.
Nenek saya bernama Rina. Kakek
Yeah.
dan nenek saya adalah seorang petani.
Yes.
Yes, petani.
Saya tidak punya kakak dan adik.
Yes.
Ayah saya seorang guru. Ibu saya seorang koki. What?
Keluarga.
Keluarga.
Keluarga saya ada 4 orang.
Okay, good job, Miss Farah.
Terima kasih, Miss Farah.
Sama-sama.
Anyone else wants to try?
Yes, let me try.
Okay.
Ini adalah gambar keluarga saya. Kakek saya bernama Anton. Nenek saya bernama Rina. Kakek dan nenek saya adalah seorang petani.
Seorang.
Seorang.
Seorang petani.
Seorang.
Seorang
Yes.
petani.
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 Saya petani. Okay, let me take that again. Kakek dan nenek saya adalah seorang petani.
Yes.
Saya tidak punya kakak dan adik.
Yes.
Ayah saya seorang guru. Ibu saya seorang koki.
Seorang.
Seorang. Oke.
Ya.
Ibu saya seorang koki.
Yes.
Ya.
Keluarga saya ada 4 orang.
Okay, good job.
Yes. Terima kasih, Mr. Kunono.
Sama-sama.
Okay. Okay, now let's fill in the table on the right side. So you have to complete the table with family members, name, and occupation based on the text. Okay. Let's start from the first family member, which is kakek. So who is kakek names?
Kakek is grandfather.
Who is his name? Yes, Anton.
Yes, Anton.
And what is kakek occupation? Pekerjaan.
Is a farmer, petani.
Ya, betul.
Petani.
Petani.
Yes, petani.
And then nenek. What is nenek name?
Rina.
Rina, yes.
Ya, Rina.
Apa pekerjaan nenek?
Also petani.
Yes,
Petani.
that's right. And then ayah. What
Ayah.
is pekerjaan ayah?
Ayah is a guru.
Yes.
Is a guru.
What about ibu?
Yes.
Apa pekerjaan ibu?
Ibu is a chef,
Is a
koki.
Saya koki. Koki. Yes, koki.
Yes, that's
Okay.
right. Okay. Good job, everyone. Now let's move on.
Terima kasih semuanya. Let's continue to the next slide.
Yeah, let's continue. Yeah.
Okay.
Yay.
And this is the main part today. So you will make a short presentation about your own family.
And look at the example sentence in this table. Ini adalah keluarga saya. Ibu saya bernama bla bla bla. Ayah saya seorang bla bla bla. Saya punya bla 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 kakak atau adik. Kakak or adik.
Okay.
Mhm.
Now you will write a simple paragraph about your own family using that sentence pattern in the table in Indonesia, and then you have to read it aloud. Okay. I
Okay.
will give you 5 minutes from now. Okay. Two minutes left, guys.
Hi.
Are you done, Mister?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is everyone done? Who are going to
How
read?
about Miss Farah?
I didn't finish yet. How can we say accountant in Indonesian?
Sorry?
She's
Accountant.
asking, how can you say accountant?
Accountant.
Yes, what's the question again? Okay.
What is accountant in Bahasa Indonesia?
Accountant.
Yeah, accountant.
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 Accountant. The one who is employed to account for funds or work in the finance department.
I
Oh,
said accountant like this. It's like we say accountant in English. Accountant.
can you type it down, Miss?
What?
Can you type it down in the chat box?
It's unable to write.
Oh, it's accountancy. It's in finance. Yes, it's accountancy.
Akuntansi.
Akuntansi.
Yes, that's right. Okay, guys, times is up. Now let's hear your presentation. Who wants to go first? Maybe Mr. Tununu wants to go first?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can. Mine is very short.
Okay, it's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, I start.
Yes,
Yes,
you can
please.
start.
Ini adalah keluarga saya. Ibu saya bernama Esnat. Ayah saya seorang guru. Saya punya 2 adik. That's all.
Okay, that's
Terima
good.
kasih, Mr.
That's really good.
Tununu.
Thank you, Mr.
Terima
Sama-sama.
kasih.
Mr. Tununu, it's seorang.
Seorang.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's seorang.
Yes.
I'm struggling with that one. I'm struggling. I don't know why. Seorang.
There's O in
Seorang.
there.
Yeah.
Seorang.
Seorang.
Yeah.
Yes.
Seorang.
Seorang.
Okay, let me. But keluarga, I'm saying it well.
Yeah. Keluarga.
Keluarga.
Yeah.
Ya,
Ini adalah
keluarga.
keluarga. Ini
Ini
adalah keluarga
saya.
saya.
Betul.
Ibu saya bernama Esnat. Ayah
Yes.
saya seorang guru.
Seorang.
Seorang guru.
Yes.
Saya punya 2 adik.
Yes, that's right.
Nice. Terima
Yeay.
kasih, Mr. Tununu.
Saya sama-sama.
And the next?
And next,
Okay, next saya.
Yes.
yes, please.
Ini adalah keluarga saya. Ibu saya bernama Rukiah. Ayah saya seorang petani. Saya mempunyai 2 kakak.
Yes.
Yes.
That's really
Terima kasih,
good.
Miss
Thank
Rita.
you.
Yeah. See, Mr. Turino, I'm very fluent. Yay.
Yeah, I can see you're very fluent indeed.
What about Miss Farah?
I know why. Your languages are a bit similar.
Yes.
And
What
then
about Miss Farah?
Farah?
I'm trying, wallah.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Can you help me?
Yes, sure.
Ini adalah keluarga saya.
Yes, keluarga saya.
Keluarga saya. Ibu saya bernama Nivin.
Yes.
Ayah saya
Ayah?
seorang akuntansi.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Right.
What? Nama kaki perempuan saya adalah Samah.
Yes, that's right. Perempuan. Yes.
What else? I have younger sister and younger brother.
Yes. Yes.
Saya punya 2 adik.
What?
Saya punya 2 adik.
Saya perempuan.
Saya
Punya.
punya
Saya punya.
2 adik.
Yes.
Saya
I thought she
perempuan.
said she has 1 younger sister and 1 younger brother.
Oh.
Yes.
Yes.
Ya, 2 adik kan?
Yes.
Yeah.
Or he can say adik lelaki dan adik perempuan.
Yes. Saya punya satu adik laki-laki dan
Ya,
satu adik perempuan.
Can we just, can we replace the word punya with ada, or is wrong? Saya ada seorang kakak.
Oh, I think it's more correct if we say punya.
Punya.
Yes.
Oke, baik.
More common.
Okay,
I
good job,
don't think
Sarah.
right?
Okay. Do you want to ask something, guys? Okay, if not, we can move on to the next slide. Okay, it's reflection time. So before we finish, let's do a short reflection. So please complete the following sentences. So you can say hari ini saya belajar bla bla bla, atau hari ini saya bisa bla bla bla, atau saya ingin belajar lagi mengenai bla bla bla.
Yeah. So let me start first.
Yes.
Please.
Okay, yeah. So hari ini saya belajar tentang keluarga.
Yes, that's right.
Okay.
Nice.
Hari ini saya bisa hari ini saya bisa apa ya? Hari ini saya bisa bercerita mengenai keluarga saya.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah.
Saya ingin belajar lagi mengenai perbualan harian bahasa Indonesia.
Okay.
Nice. Terima kasih, Miss Rita.
And the others?
Hari ini saya belajar keluarga.
Yes.
Yes.
Hari ini saya bisa there I'm stuck. I wanted to say today I can introduce my family. So I wanted to say introduce.
Okay. So you can say
Memperkenalkan. Memperkenalkan.
Susah juga tuh.
Maybe that's difficult. Yeah, that's difficult then.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, fine. Saya ingin belajar lagi mengenai bahasa Indonesia.
okay. Thank you, Mr.
Terima kasih, Miss Nino.
Sama-sama.
And then Miss Farah.
Ya. Hari ini saya belajar keluarga.
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 Iya.
Keluarga.
Belajar.
Hari ini saya bisa I don't know. What?
Memperkenalkan.
Memperkenalkan.
Yes.
Memperkenalkan. I can't.
Memperkenalkan.
Memperkenalkan.
Yes.
Yes.
I tried.
Good job.
Saya ingin belajar lagi
Belajar
lagi من من
Mengenai.
mengenai bahasa Indonesia.
Yes, terima kasih Miss Farah.
Sama-sama.
And last, one word exit. Say one word about today's lesson. For example, seru, or mudah, or sulit, or menarik.
Menarik.
Yes.
Ya, menarik.
Yay.
Seru.
Seru,
Seru.
mudah, sulit,
Mudah atau sulit,
menarik.
guys?
Menarik.
Interesting.
Oke.
Menarik.
For me, yeah, for sure, easy. Quite easy. Mr.
Yes.
Tenuno, easy.
Yeah. You. You say it's easy. You.
Remember, seorang.
Seorang.
Yeah, O there, O in the middle.
Seorang.
Yes, that's right.
Seorang.
Orang.
Yeah, that was the difficult word for me. That was mudah for me.
Mudah.
Mudah for
Yes.
me was seorang.
Yeah.
Seorang.
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 Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Alright.
Terima kasih
Okay.
semuanya.
Okay, wait. Saya duluan ya.
Oh, can we take a
Permisi.
picture first?
Misi, saya duluan ya.
Can we take a picture first, Miss?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes,
Let's
yes.
take pictures together, ya.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I will count ya. 1, 2, 3. Selesai. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Thank you so much,
Terima kasih
guys, for
semuanya.
today.
Okay,
Terima
permisi.
kasih.
Selamat malam.
Bye-bye. Selamat